Namaste. I, Isha, Cultural Secretary of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज फाल्गुन माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की प्रतिपदा तिथि है, अर्थात आज से शुक्ल पक्ष आरंभ हो रहा है। आज का नक्षत्र पूर्वा भाद्रपद, आज का योग साध्य है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के 20वें प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 29 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to cover your heads, close your eyes, and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes, be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवै जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवै जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख ना उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया ना हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए इक ना हुक्मी बख्शीश एक हुक्मे सदा पवाइए। हुक्मे अंदर सबको, बाहर हुक्म न कोए। नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे, ताहू मैं कहे न कोए।
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to change shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च। मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयम्। मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरम्। हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते। महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा। मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा। दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता। यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः। संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय। ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता।
Now I would like to invite Shristi Sindhu of Class +2 Commerce to tell us about famous Indian scientist Dr. Paramjit Khurana. Namaste Shristi.
Namaste, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, parents, teachers, and all my fellow mates. Today, I, Shrishti Sindhu, class +2 commerce of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, would like to share the life, role, and achievements of an Indian scientist, Dr. Paramjit Khurana, a botanist specializing in plant biotechnology, molecular biology, and genomics, increasing stress tolerance in crops and sustainable agriculture. Dr. Khurana was born on 15th August 1956 in Delhi. She attended the Government Girls High School, Delhi. She finished high school in 1972, receiving the Best Student Award. With an interest in science, she attended the University of Delhi for botany, completing her BSc in 1975 and receiving National Merit Award. Khurana started her career working as scientist during 1983 to 1984. She was a lecturer at Plant Biology Department, University of Delhi from 1984 to 1987. During 1987 to 1988, she worked as a research associate in Michigan State University, USA. She returned from US in 1989 and since then she is associated with University of Delhi, firstly as lecturer, then as a reader and finally professor. Her work has included the genetic transformation of Indian wheat for resistance against cereal cyst and environmental stress tolerance, developing mulberry transgenics capable with the withstanding drought condition, etc. Her major contribution has been to develop all-weather crops which would enable rise of the India's productivity several fold. Khurana is recipient of the Certificate of Honor awarded by the Gantavya Sansthan on International Women's Day 2011 and Professor Archana Sharma Memorial Award of the Indian Science Congress Association in 2011. She has also published more than 125 scientific papers. I hope you found this information knowledgeable and valuable. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Shristi. Today is World Wildlife and Hearing Day. To share more information about these 2 days, I would like to invite Siddharth Verma of 9th P. Namaste, Siddharth.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Siddharth Verma from Class 9th B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am going to tell you about World Hearing Day. World Hearing Day on 3rd March every year is observed to raise public awareness about how to avoid deafness and hearing impairment, as well as to support ear and hearing care around the world. The World Health Organization (WHO) chooses the theme each year. WHO seeks to demonstrate the need for early detection and treatment for hearing loss on World Hearing Day. Many people have undiagnosed hearing problems and are unaware that they are missing out important sounds and phrases. The first step in dealing with problem is to assess one's hearing. World Hearing Day is an annual campaign organized by the World Health Organization's Office for the Prevention of Blindness and Deafness. There are events taking place throughout the world, including on 1 March 3rd at the World Health Organization. The campaign's goals are to disseminate information and encourage people to take steps to avoid hearing loss and enhance hearing care. World Wildlife Day is also celebrated on 3rd March. World Wildlife Day celebrates the beautiful and varied forms of wild fauna and flora and to raise awareness of the multitude of benefits that their conservation provides to people. At the same time, World Wildlife Day reminds us of the urgent need to step up the fight against wildlife crime and human-induced reduction of species, which have wide-ranging economic, environmental, and social impacts. Each year, World Wildlife Day is celebrated on 3rd March. 2022 World Wildlife Day 2022 will be held under the theme Recovering Key Species for Ecosystem Restoration. To raise awareness of the state of endangered and critically endangered wildlife and to highlight the power of conservation efforts seeking to reverse their fate. Leading up to the year when the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework is expected to be adopted, drawing attention to the status of some of the most critically endangered species of wild fauna and flora and their role in ecosystems will send a powerful message for urgent commitment. The theme will also highlight the impact of conservation efforts and promote best practice examples where species were brought back from the brink, and it will drive discussions towards imagining and implementing new solutions to conserve and sustainably use others. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Siddharth. Now, I would like to invite Prabhjot Chaudhary of 7th A to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Prabhjot.
Namaste, I am Prabhjot, a student of class 7th A. Today, I am going to share a thought of Swami Vivekananda with you. Hope you will definitely think about this. The thought is as follows: do one thing at a time, and while doing it, put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. I repeat the thought: do one thing at a time, and while doing it, put your whole soul into it to the exclusion of all else. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Prabhjot. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Anu of 9th B, Pratik of 7th A, and Samar Bagga of 6th A. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.